surprise, I'm gonna do one last video because I'm a week out from getting these braces off, and I thought I would do a video about first time tips for people who are just getting their braces. I get a lot of messages from some of you who are just about to get their braces on and are super worried and just want the lowdown on what you need to make experience less terrible. So let's get into it. So the first thing I want to talk about is all of the things that you need to keep your teeth happy when you have braces, and well, it's a lot. So hold on to your toothbrushes, everyone. So the first thing you need are toothbrushes. You want a lot of toothbrushes. So you want to have a soft bristled toothbrush because your teeth are gonna hurt so bad you're not gonna be able to brush them right, and soft bristles is probably all you can handle, and plus it's good for your gums anyway. I also have one that's medium bristled and with a tongue scrubber on the back for when you need to feel extra clean. You will also want to have a travel toothbrush with you at all times, and it just does that. So first thing is toothbrushes. The next thing you need is, because your teeth will hurt a lot in the beginning, is a water flosser. Waterpik water flosser. So these you just use to squirt water at your teeth instead of actually flossing in the beginning, because my teeth hurt so much I couldn't even bear to feel floss between my teeth. It eases up, I promise. It takes about maybe a week, but for that first week your water flosser will be your best friend. Use that on the gentle setting. Check out my how to brush your teeth with braces video for more on that, but you definitely want to have a water flosser. Once your teeth feel less bad, you want to have actual floss. A water flosser isn't a replacement for flossing. So what you want is some normal floss. I have Glide. It feels good. And then you also want to have these floss threaders. So you just thread your floss through here and go between all your teeth and floss that way. It's a hassle, but check out again my how to brush video for more on that. It's not the only floss you need. You need some orthopik plackers. So this makes the flossing experience less terrible because you can at least floss between all the teeth that you have space for in your bracket. So this side goes like through the wire. And then also you should know that these double as toothpicks. So you bend down right there, and so you can jab food out of your teeth. Another thing you can, I have so much stuff here. Another thing you can jab food out of your teeth with are these, they're called Proxabrushes. This is gum brand. So, I don't know. So these you also just shove food out of your teeth with, and these are really handy to have in public. So when you're in public, you want to bring your little travel size toothbrush with you, a travel size toothpaste, some of these Proxabrushes, and a little mirror. If you bring a little, there you are, a little handheld mirror with you, you can look and see when you have some nastiness in your teeth and just poke it out. It's the life. You gotta do it. The next thing that you need in terms of products to use on your teeth, toothpaste, of course. This gum stuff is what my ortho has in his office. I always use this, the Arm & Hammer Complete Care toothpaste. A lot of you ask me what I use. I use this. I like it because it's pretty natural. It's baking soda. and it's just all around good for your mouth. A lot of people say don't use whitening toothpaste because you'll get left with stains where the brackets were. I don't know, whatever. Like, you do what you want. Ask your orthodontist what they think and whatever. But just some sort of good anti-cavity toothpaste. And always follow up with some mouthwash, because it would be a nightmare to get a cavity with these on and have to get it filled, because you have to go to your orthodontist, get your wires removed, go to the dentist, get your cavity filled, go back to the orthodontist, get your wires back in. Yeah, so you really, really want to keep up on your hygiene, even though it's going to hurt a lot in the beginning. You just gotta do your best. So I've been talking a lot about how it's gonna hurt in the beginning, and there are some things you can do to help that. So first, an NSAID, Aleve, ibuprofen, Advil, whatever you want to call it. So you want to take some of that to help reduce the throbbing that you'll feel. The inside of your mouth is also going to hurt. So you want an abundance of wax. So you're going to want to put your wax just wherever it hurts. I don't care what people say about, oh, like, don't use wax because your mouth needs to toughen up. It will toughen up over time. There's no need to suffer. You do what you need to do to be comfortable. So throw wax on, especially like on these hooks and stuff. Oh, they're terrible. They're so sharp. I mean, now I'm totally used to them, but it takes maybe a month or so. So in the interim, load up on wax. We'll likely get a lot of canker sores in your mouth in the beginning. So some Orajel canker sore gel. It's good. It's really good, and it saves me a lot even still. So that's what you need for pain and stuff. After you get them on, your mouth is going to be open for a while, and your lips are going to get freakishly dry. So at your appointment getting them on, bring some Carmex. Honestly, just keep a tube of this wherever you go. This is my secret to hydrated, nice looking lips. I slather my lips in this all the time. So get you some Carmex. Not chapstick, not anything else. Carmex. And then, so once you're home from your appointment, you have all of your supplies ready, but you're also going to need some food. Eat as much as you can before the pain sets in, because it will set in. So you're going to want to have a lot of supplies for smoothies, soft foods, mashed potatoes, applesauce, baby food. I ate a lot of baby food. Protein powder, soups, like thick soups, lentil soup, any sort of bean soup is good. Honestly, I couldn't really eat pasta, so we're talking like a true liquidy type diet. Greek yogurt for proteins covers it there. You can slowly start introducing foods as your mouth allows you to. I'm making food right now. You will also be faced with the tough decision of what color to choose for your first color. I would say probably err on the side of a more conservative color. It's gonna be so foreign looking to you to see yourself with braces for the first time. So if you go with something super jarring, like red or something, it'll just be crazy. I went with silver. I'm glad I did. And then as you get more confident, you can slowly work into some more crazy colors. You can use the Braces Mate app. Not sponsored. But I use the Braces Mate app to plan out my colors for each appointment, and that really helped me out. Yeah, otherwise, just embrace the braces. The first week is going to be real hard. It's going to hurt, but just remember, it will pass. It gets worse before it gets better. It gets worse before it gets better. Your teeth will randomly hurt, and that's normal. Your teeth will feel loose and kind of squishy in your mouth, and that's normal. Your bite is gonna be shifting around. Your teeth are gonna start to not fit together, and that's normal. Pay attention in your mouth for any sort of like wires poking out the back, because you can always call and get that trimmed. If your bite is changing and you start chipping teeth, you should probably call your orthodontist and go in and maybe get some bite blockers to solve that situation. I don't know what I'm doing with my hair today. I think that basically covers like survival, first week survival things. The key is to just go into it prepared and have everything that you need to survive. So I hope this was helpful. Let me know down below if you have any other questions for things you might need during the first week or month or whenever. If you are getting braces for the first time, just know it's absolutely and totally worth it. Even if you feel terrible when you first get them, I know I did. I felt like an absolute troll. Like, it just really emphasized how crooked your teeth look because the wire's all bent, and it just really draws attention to it. But every day it gets better. Every day your teeth are getting straighter. So you're on your way. Know there's an end, and it will end, and you will have the braces off, and at the end of it, the result is going to be a beautiful smile you have for the rest of your life. So just stick through it. I know it's hard, but you can do it, and soon you'll just be reflecting on your whole journey like I am right now, and binge watching every single braces off video there is on YouTube. So next time I see you, it will be my braces off video. So anyway, thanks for watching. Thanks for your support, mostly on Instagram. Throughout this whole journey, it's been a wild ride, and I would do it 1,000 times over despite all the pain and insecurity and discomfort, whatever. So yeah, thanks for watching. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, whatever. Okay, thanks, bye.